You are close. You are now close to hospital.
We will not have.
We are close to hospital.
I have no hospital.
We are
anywhere.
Let me charge you. We will charge you the strategy you used to try. I will charge you.
You need to answer.
Charge me. I will answer me. You cannot. We are not your children.
Let me take this.
No, we will not allow you. Because you are the president.
You are the
we will not allow you.
You are not extraordinary.
Kibagendi, you are
stealing from Shah. I'm not stealing from
anyone.
You and your friends are stealing from Shah.
We have closed your office.
Where I don't own a hospital.
And if possible, we will charge you in a court of law.
You can charge me. You can charge. I don't own a hospital. You are the people stealing from Shah. You and your friends.
Bring your impeachment.
Just because we're asking you questions.
We'll ask Honorable Kibagendi to actually stop.
We will not allow you to intimidate.
Honorable Kibagendi,
we have closed
point.
And we'll close more.
Honorable Kibagendi,
we have closed 2 of your hospitals and we'll close the 3rd one.
I don't own a hospital anywhere.
We will close the 3rd one.
Please.
This is nonsense.
You can't
allow a hostile witness to come here.
The chair, I'm chairing this, and I ask you.
You are not chairing. He's the one who is chairing.
No.
He's telling you what to do.
No.
It is true. You are intimidated by this man.
No.
Just because he's a president, Kenyans need to know Duale is messing up health.
We are going to. We have closed.
Where is the vice chair? Is it in your place? Where is the vice chair?
Of order.
We will
not allow you.
You are bitter, but we will close your hospitals.
I don't own a hospital.
You are bitter.
That is the strategy we are trying to use.
We will
to silence us.
We will try to the speaker.
Produce evidence
You cannot own facilities.
You are the one who sit in this ministry. Your company is stealing from Shah.
We will write to the speaker. You should not be in the health committee because of conflict of interest. You cannot be in this committee. Yes, and I think.
Order, Chair.
Now, Honorable Cynthia, let us proceed.
Honorable Chair.